Today we're in the heart of London for a customer workshop, and it's focused primarily on enterprise service management. We have got plenty of our customers in attendance today, and we've got consultants who'll be sitting with those customers at different tables discussing different topics. But one of the key things for the customers is not only what they learn from the consultants, but it's what they pick up from each other.
Meeting and learning other Hornbill customers is very valuable because everyone's got different problems, organizations are slightly different.
It's always good to attend and network with other users of Hornbill. So I've come away already halfway through the day with a lot of ideas around self-service. Self-service is a really important platform, the portal itself for our end users.
In my day-to-day job, I'm often quite busy, so being able to have some time allocated to sit down with somebody from Hornbill, go through some of the challenges that we face specifically, and get some ideas on how to deal with those challenges is extremely useful.
The most valuable part of the day for me so far has been to actually sit with people who understand what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, who appreciate the work that's been put into it. When I have people here that have been through all the development and they have a different perspective, and it's just so useful. I've already got things that I want to take away from today.
For me, one of the reasons I like working with Hornbill is because you guys listen to us. It's a case of, oh, we've got this idea, what can we do, how can we make it happen? And it might be a case of, oh no, we can't create this, but have you thought about this instead? So generally, if we've got an idea, you guys are here to support us. So it's been spot on.
So watch out for the newsletters from our academy, and also on the Hornbill website and some of our social feeds, where we'll share the content and the experiences from days like this.